Hi, I'm Mason. Today, I'm gonna pick up this glass using suction. This experiment requires adults' help. First, put a napkin on the glass. Second, get the napkin a little wet. Next, light a small candle on the tissue. Then put the glass upside down over the candle. When the flame goes out, it will be suctioned together.
Wow!
And it's really strong. When the candle burns inside the glass, it heats the air. When the flame goes out, the air cools and the pressure drops. The pressure in the glass drops below the pressure out of the glass. The pressure difference causes them to stick together. Please subscribe for more videos.